I was starving while watching Gordon Ramsay on Fox, then an idea hit me. So I rolled my way on down to the kitchen to carry out this master plan. It was late at night and I needed something effortless to make. What better idea than a 10-minute pizza? All you need is some bread, sauce, and cheese. I also had some ricotta and parmigiano on hand, so I threw them on. You need 10 minutes to get it nice and toasty, slice it up, and enjoy. It's yummy, fast, and leaves no mess behind. The perfect late night snack.